Okay, Lindsay. So I know in your MRI it showed that you have degenerative disc disease, and I know that can sound a little scary. And I'm not trying to downplay that at all, but let me just explain a little bit about what that is. Pretty much, the thing about degenerative disc disease is that it's actually really common. Um, if you took, 100 people off the street and gave them all an MRI, a lot of them would have degenerative disc disease, show it on their MRI, but then have no pain. And a lot of them would be having pain, but then in their MRI, there would be nothing on there. So what I'm trying to say is basically that pain doesn't equal tissue damage, in this case, degenerative disc disease, and also the other way around, that tissue damage doesn't equal pain. What I think is actually going on here is that you have something it's called sensitization, meaning that your nerves are like hypersensitive. So let me give you an example of, a car alarm. So cars have a car alarm pretty much to protect them from being broken in, right?
Mm.
So, it's to stop them from breaking a window, from if the car gets shook really hard, then the car alarm will go off. But imagine, the car is parked and someone's just walking by and like lightly brushes the car and the car alarm goes off.
Mm-hmm.
So the car alarm in that instance is no longer serving its purpose to, show a threat that someone's breaking in. And this is kind of what might be happening with your nerves. Your nerves normally are sensing what's happening in your body and sending it to your brain, and it's considering the threat level. It's showing you that there's some threat and giving you pain because of it. So what is happening when you have really sensitive nerves is that even just a slight brush or slight movement, slight touch is giving you an increased sense of pain, just like how a light brush on a car might set off a really sensitive car alarm. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think so.
So pretty much this is what I think might be happening with your nerves. Do you have any questions about that?
How do I get it back to normal?
Well, just by learning about what this is going to help you. And then, so we're going to be doing we're going to help you just by doing the light. We're going to start by just like lightly touching it because even touch is hurting. And we're going to go through several different techniques and then through physical therapy and it'll help get back to normal.
Okay.
And then there's some other things I wanted to address with you about just some warning signs that I saw like in your intake forms and what you've talked to me about. Is that you told me that you're feeling a little bit, stressed out about your home situation, and you told me about finances and your grandmother's health.
Mm-hmm.
Is this something that you're currently getting help with or would like to get help with?
Yeah, I'm seeing someone for it.
You are getting someone? Oh, okay, great. And do you think that that's helping? Has it been helping at all?
Probably, yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. You told me that once you found out even more about this diagnosis, that you had this diagnosis, that it even increased your stress and pain.
Mm-hmm.
But that's great that you're getting it looked at.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get started on all the treatments and stuff. Okay.
Okay.